Ever dreamed of seeing your name in the credits of a movie or TV show? It all starts with one thing: the script. But where do you even begin? Let's break down the absolute basics of screenwriting. Forget everything you've learned about writing novels or essays. Screenwriting is a whole different beast. It's a blueprint for a visual story, so it needs to be lean, mean, and all about what we see and hear. First up, formatting. This isn't just about making it look pretty. It's a universal language for the entire production team. You'll use a 12-point Courier font. Why? One page in this format equals roughly 1 minute of screen time. It's an industry standard that helps directors and producers estimate the length and budget of the project. Your script will be made up of 3 main elements: scene headings, action lines, and dialogue. Scene headings, or slug lines, tell us where and when the scene takes place. They look like this: int, coffee shop day. Int means interior, ext means exterior, then the location, and finally, the time of day. Next are the action lines. This is where you describe what's happening, but here's the key: only write what can be seen or heard. No internal thoughts or feelings. Instead of writing "Sarah was sad," you'd write "tears well up in Sarah's eyes." Show, don't tell, is the golden rule here. Keep your descriptions concise and impactful. Finally, the dialogue. This is what your characters say. The character's name goes in the center, and their lines go right below it. Dialogue should feel natural and serve a purpose, whether it's revealing character, advancing the plot, or creating conflict. Try reading your dialogue out loud. If it sounds clunky or unnatural, rewrite it. And that's the core of it: scene headings, action lines, and dialogue. To get started, you don't need fancy software. You can find free templates online or use a simple text editor. The best way to learn is by doing and by reading. Go find scripts of your favorite movies online. Read them, study how they're structured, and see how the pros do it. Your blockbuster idea is waiting. It's time to start writing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.